Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I'm your maths teacher. This is a short week, so you will get only one video. As you know that we are working unit number 5. The name of the unit is measurements. In this unit, you have completed the topic measurement of length, measurement of weight, and now the third topic, that is measurement of volume. The purpose of reading this topic is make you aware about the units of measurement that we are using in our daily life. Measurement of length, we have done centimeters, meters and kilometers. These are the main units of measurement of length. Then for the measurement of weight, 2 units you have done in the exercise. Those are kilogram and gram. These are the basic unit, standard unit of weight that we are using in our daily life, in our surrounding, in the shops and markets to measure different things. Now, the third one, that is the last topic of this unit, is to measure volume or capacity. Now, what is volume? Volume means the capacity of a container, either a bottle or a jug or a bucket, the capacity of the container. How much this container can hold, that is called volume of that container. It means how much a container can hold, or we can say the capacity of the container is called its volume. All the liquids, when we are going to measure, we always measure their volume. You know that we measure water, oil, milk, juices, petrol, medicines, all these things, these are liquid, and to measure them we take their volume, and the unit of volume is, so many are there, but here in this unit you will work with 2 units, which are liter and milliliter. The symbol for liter is L and for milliliter is ml. Now the conversion ratio. Different ratio of a liter with milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliters. Now half liter, as 1 is equal to 1000 ml, so half liter will be 500 ml. Then quarter. Quarter liter mean 250 ml. Then the third one, that is 3 quarters. 3 quarters of a liter, they are equal to 750 ml. You have to learn these ratio between liter and milliliter, because such type of question they are asking in objective exercise. Now, conversion of liters and milliliters. As we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 ml, so 1000 ml equal to 1 liter. Here I have written 3000 milliliters. So 3000 milliliters, they are equal to 3 liters. So if you have liters, for example 5 liters, 5 liters equal to 5000 ml. But we know that both the units we are using together also, liters and milliliters. 2 liters and 450 milliliters. So how to write them in milliliters together? as we have done in kilogram and gram, kilometer and meter, same rule we will follow here. We know that 1000 ml equal to 1 liter, so 1000 is the place for liter, and ones, tens and 100, these are milliliter. So 2 liter, 2 at the place of 2000, that is milliliter, and 450, 2450, 2450 milliliters. You have converted 2 liters. 2 liters mean 2000 milliliters plus 450 milliliters. It will change into 2450 milliliters. But we are not doing addition. We just read them, their places, and we can write them verbally. No need to solve or do any calculation or working. Here 8 liters, so 8 is the place of 1000, 8000. Then 100, 10 and 1, these are the places for milliliter, but you have only 72. So there is no place for 100. At 100 you will write 0 here, and this is 72 milliliters, so 8072 milliliters. Here 6 liters and 6 milliliters. 6 liters, that is the place, it will take 6000. So only 6 milliliters. This 6 you will write at the place of ones, no tens and no 100. So you will write 6006, and it is 6600 milliliters. Now 3200 ml you have, and you change them, you are going to change them into liters and milliliters. Very easy. 1000 is liter, that is 3 liters, and milliliters, the remaining 3 digit, 200, so these are 200 milliliters. Here you have 8002, so 1000, that is 8, this is 8 liters, and only 2, so only 2 milliliters you have. The same method of conversion as we were doing with kilometer and meter and with kilogram and gram, same rules we will follow here to convert milliliters and liters. Now a question from the exercise: how to add them? Here also the same rules you will follow, but question is, it is given in written here in the exercise in linear form. You will change them in the form of sum. Vertically you will write them, and then you will solve. So first make the column liters and milliliters. Our first quantity is 23 liter 67 milliliters. So in the column of liter it is 23, and 67 milliliters, and you know how to write 67 because it is only ones and tens, and at the place of 100 you will write 0. The next quantity to add is 5 liter 480 ml. So 5 liter in the column of liters and 480 milliliter. So we'll write 480 in the column of milliliter, and following the same rules of addition we will add them. 7 in this column and 8 is 6, 14, 4 is here, 1 will carry forward, 4 plus 1 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 10, and 2 is here. So answer is 28 liters 547 milliliters. In the second question we have 3 quantities to add. Similarly, first make the column for liters and milliliters. The first one is 3 liter 500 milliliter. So write them 3 and 500. 3 in the column of liter and 500 the column of milliliter. Then 12 liter and 37 milliliters. 12 here in this column and 37 in the column of milliliter, but 0 is there at the place of 100. And third quantity is 45 liter 624 milliliters. Then we will add them following the same rule. Start from the right hand side and we will add them. 7 plus 4 it is 11, 1 is carry forward, 3 plus 2 it is 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 it is here, 6 plus 5 11, 1 is here and 1 carry forward to the next column, 3 1 4 5 6 6 and 5, 11. 1 is here and 1 is here. So 4, 5 and 6. So answer is 61 liters and 161 milliliters. This is the answer. The addition, all the rules, they are same, only take care of the column of liters and milliliters, and one quantity liter and milliliter in the same, the second one again in the same line, and like this you will write them. Not a difficult one, you have already done with kilogram and gram, kilometer and meter, so you will feel it easy, and easily you will solve the exercise that is given in the this unit number 5. This is the last one, that is 5D. Thank you.